Guys, I need to tell you how amazing Roadway Moving was. They were beyond professional, the most professional movers, and I've moved a bunch of times. The best by far that I've ever had. So professional, so caring, very careful with all of my furniture, with all of my things. I mean, when I was going to pick a moving company, I wasn't sure exactly which way to go, but the positive reviews that Roadway had were so far above everyone else's. So many positive reviews from the customers. I've used them a couple times now, and I have never ever had more like sweet, nice, professional people moving me. So I have to give them a shout out. I have to tell you guys how great they were. Okay, they are the #1 moving company in New York, and they do local, they do long distance, they do it all. Okay, even like the packaging and how they boxed everything up for me and taped everything up and even labeled everything perfect and put it in the right room was beyond. It really, really was. Do they tend to be a little bit pricier than the other ones? Maybe just a little, and it's because they're so much better. It's so worth it without the stress. It's worth every dollar. So definitely need to try out Roadway Moving, the best by far.